Kublai pi baro syakatup khubor jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan kilong. Persya ki wahet Shillong warjan dia bakang Shillong Henry syapat ban kai bangla. Tam ke Kongres ke NPP hak election MDC ha GHADC. Baterwa kam no President ke Registered MEECL Associations and Unions. Tementang ni pas ki khubor ki bakambnya. Kirio rangba jong ka Shillong bakur hapok ka jingalam uwahet Shillong Daniel Kongsit hakasngi balang kilami ban penpau bakane ka hukum jong ka sarkar kalong kumbale Shillong khamat daka ba uong bai ki dukan kiyo ki had hapok ka Shillong la batha ban khanglut kal bai ki jing khai bari border trade import export ling bakalat custom bakur dauki ka sarkar kam shemla khang satya bat ka rung kami jong ki kali kadang beteng hadu mentakasngi
ki pertui Shillong be marjan tenaga ke office jong SDO Civil Amlarem kala penmi hukum menin stengmit ban penjari lane ban le containment zone apa kini ki area takamut darang sungteng lamba bakur dauki kongwang te stengmit ka odar kalami bat mentasngi ka jimpermana kala yat bala hang Shillong kini ki kata teli Shillong ki bahap apa kena containment zone Jika kebangi songsi kalong ba yangi brokhoi lapha ban shong ying lapha ban shong Shillong raya kene ke border trade pade iklam khang kipli yaka bakala ban jaj kali ban ban mi sebangla India te habai de ber kene kes jong covid ni kum ki dong shong Shillong jong bakur bayan Shillong bat kedarang persen ki dong shong Shillong jong bakur dauki Batkum juru jongka warjan cia ki batre ki balong manager ki basnabil hakane ke puat temanta lada don ki badan kes covid na puat kana Shillong jungi sampai driver uba ki tengku yade kam maurun sabit jingpang kum juru lada amdi nang taru driver barong sepak Bangladesh sampai saya tengku bat ki khar kun sabana jingpang bat kalong ke bama hadu kata-kata ya Shillong bakur dauki bat ya kata riwar jungi Tekum Presiden jeng sunjuk kerong nang ba Shillong jeng emergentia hadir Meghalaya selok mentang sengi ha ke pos statement step ngila sngau ba kalong ke jingma ya ka taiwan jungi ba ke jingpang kanwan lang ba ke bakur dapi lang ba kene ke trade lang ba kene ke kaput kan pos ke webe ki Shillong jeng taiwan jungi nang ta ka daw ni dawa ban ngi ketpat ya ke office SDO Civil Amrem kumjuru ya DC jeng West Hill ban tulang lem
Hini kasih kat santarik uya yang arhajar apawe. Nakaliang ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong kalapan loy ka jingya kendu lang jong ki kena puli ki barim lani ka alumni meet. Ya kani ka jingya kendu lapan long ka Don Bosco Technical Hall ha ka Porsche statement step. Lapan ya jangan ka program do uwe ni kinong hikai ka motor mechanic vehicle is Dominic Yai Pinyau harengkat ya jingya don lang i father rector father Gomes o principal ka school father Cyril Turkey Vice Principal Brother Wan Perling do ki kena puli ki balalai but ki kena ki berang puli. Ya kene ka jingya kendo lang lapan long ban lumi ki kena puli barim jongan ka school ban pen kre ka jubilee jong ka installation of Don Bosco ka ban long ha usnam arhajara pulai. Ki ba ai jing kren ha kene ka sni ki long u father rector father principal but ka jing ai Kublai khado la yo no vice principal bala yor ka jing kren na ka we na ki kena school barim ka Elinda Mukim ka bala pandep ka jing puli ka MMV but kala tre ru ha ka we na ki workshop ba paw hanong ba ka Yamaha company
and class sitting behind and my dear friends, my life has been quite tough, has been grown up, so I have to move on, I have to breathe, I have to struggle to get what I deserve. I have to meet up all those workers. I used to talk to them, I used to be free and frank with them, but they are good to me, even I'm good to them. It's still for that. But after passing out from here, I went to give a biodata in running waters near Mobley.
Hakajingjit ikinong mi khamat chaka yeng dorbar Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka Indian National Congress kala job haki kharatali ki constituency haki yeng dorbar ka badan lai pungut ki dekot. Mentakasmi lapan banai ka result jong barok ki arp kandai tili ki constituency. Ya kawai kesyuki bateli in pendap dukot basusi ni nominated member yo ba untung da ka sorkar. Nakaliang ka National People's Party ka balak mi lenti bakan kamle abha ka ni ka kenti kala job hakikat wait ligi constituency. Ka BJP ka balak mi lenti bakala ban job kumno haki san ban ligi constituency Henry kala job tang hiki art ligi constituency. Iki likely ki wait ki constituency jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council la job ligi kertong Shimet bat ka Garo National Council kala job tang hakaway ka constituency. Ki Khubor ki ato banakaliang ka BJP kala ong kumba kala ay jing kersyani ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balalam kamat ka BJP hapok ka Jylla kan ay ka jing kersyani ka NPP haka ba insnai ka Executive Committee batamay jong ka ni ka Council. National President ka NPP badairu Menteri rang baka Jylla Conrad ki sangma ulaong baka party NPP kapadiang ka rai jong upat ba halor ka election MDC ha GHADC wat la kalak milenti ban job bon tiliki seat shu ulaong bu hun ka jing rai upat ba ula ai ro jing kublai ki nong wan tap vote ki balawan ban jet ki kertong ki ban mikmat na ka constituency ki jongki.
Yes, we got 11 seats. We had of course expected that we will get much more than that. But whatever the mandate is of the people, we accept that mandate, and we need to move forward now and also do some post-mortem in terms of what are the areas maybe which went wrong and work on improving them for the long run. So we accept the mandate, and we determine now to work harder to ensure that we can move further and strengthen the party overall in the Garo Hills region as well as throughout the state. I would first of all like to thank all the voters who had turned out and voted and given their mandate. I would especially like to thank all the voters who have voted in favor of the NPP, and some constituencies we won and some constituencies we lost. But that's the nature of politics, and what is important for us is to ensure that we accept it and we move forward.
It's your home turf, and here also BJP won the seat. So how would you like to comment?
Yes, Tura has been a very tough fight. We got 8,300 votes and the BJP got 8,800 votes, and they managed to win this particular seat constituency, which was very important for me personally also. But Tura is of course a very interesting constituency. Number one, because most of the employees who work in district council are from Tura. So therefore a large chunk of them vote. I presume that they have voted against the government in terms of the EC that was formed earlier by the NPP for not being able to pay salaries for 30 months. I presume also that there is also a factor that is there in terms of the younger voters that have come out and voted. So that has been one factor.
President ka registered MEECL associations and unions uba PK chulet mentakas ni ula terwa ban inoy ka kam dak hadien boladon ka jing persang ban pentho bria ka kerteng jung hakilar pathai Khubor. Uba chulet ula ong bakani ka jing e kam jung na kani ka seng ka bola ai ka jing sakri hakini ki por baladep kam dei baka don ka jing keno persai kani ka seng jung hinre bat ki we pat ki kam jong ka MEECL hakaba ula don benta. Uba chulet ula ong bahadien bula yo selok bat umuk tia jong uba chulet ula ong bakam don kanu ka jing khang nakaliang ka MEECL baka kurum jong kala ban sim benta hakabaya de bat ki tender. Uba chulet ula ong baki jing keno ki badai bat ka jing trekam jong ka MEECL hakaba penek pen sabat pen sapriang kilat pathai Khubor sepang ka jing pen trekam ki LED bulb ka baka jing lut kalong di ki klot tengka kalong ka bam don nong rem na marba barok ki jing kenjing dia la de pen bet de ki auditor bala pen sisaya kane de ki chartered accountants.
Hakini isnam kabanga don kum president jong MEA ngolong president kum joint action committee but lalong do president jong sikarma hakini ki jing ki blai ngila shem benta ki skin ka benta ban permit pen bahaya ka MECL ngala shem ban benta ka sngi ngala ban ong ba haka MECL amdek tang manga bedan ande ki dan palak tam ya ki lais pa ngot ki PK shula ngamla ban ong ya kata nomor bleng ngam don ka proof makadai nom dai hinrei kapor ba kini ki indication kimi kalong kala papla shushu adam ka jing kuno bala thungya iwei da I ayanla imsu ko specialist hantai badai ru la kamru badai lab jona nai su ki nami thu ei tai ayanla imsu But kami jom ikut jom na, kam kerteng jom ka, kam day ka ayam lain so. Adin siya ilang jom na, imju sibla tray hidup ako inspector electricity. Kadang mo kacing keno, kapajer ha, kawai, hakaba laon ba bahayin jom na, lengkap, kajing day bak na, jing jom kiti jom na, nggak supply kitiar bonjak kung kipol ako ke MCL hak kerteng jongga IS Mrs. IS Electricals kanero kamsong nomor nama ngawa one si po material management jong ke MCL but ngawa wa kijing siya ba nga tip ba itry jong ni jong gani ka farm Mrs. IS Electrical idei ikon indira Shillong.
Badang kita Khubor ngila po siya bakon tak ada bengine sembiang kubli sipon.